is a neighborhood in Singapore. Never heard of it? Now you have. See, located here, near the Kallang River. Pretty cool, huh? Well, in the past, this place right here was a swamp, a big one, which makes sense because the word Toa Payoh means big swamp in Hokkien. About 200 years ago, the Bay Area got too crowded, so some Hokkien immigrants decided to move into the Toa Payoh area and set up plantations there. After they established a kampong there and got promoted to the villages, they built some nice atap houses to stay in. The houses were made out of the atap palm, which are easy to get, but also unfortunately made the houses extremely flammable. So they made a fire post. They also likely got water from the Callyoster wells or pumps. These are usually shared by the community and are located outside of their houses. They likely also had little to no electricity access because they couldn't afford it. Sometime later in the 1960s, the Housing and Development Board announced,
"Hey, we're gonna build some public housing in Toa Payoh, so move aside you insignificant pieces of..."
This made the villagers very scared because if they lost their land, they would lose their money and they didn't think they could afford rent. So they resisted. They delayed the plan to build the public housing by 2 years until they finally agreed after the government let them have lower rent and gave them some compensation. Public housing turned out great for the villagers, as for one, it was more convenient for them. They didn't have to walk out to fetch water anymore, as it was pumped directly into your house. It was very quick and easy. Oh, and they had electricity now. Secondly, the houses are safer. Remember the flammable atap?
Just 3 shots of reinforced concrete.
And it sparkles like new!
Yeah, it's no longer atap, but it's now reinforced concrete, so no more fires. Yeah, okay, so Toa Payoh. Bye.